Welcome to Throttle Car Consultancy and Review channel. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share for this candid reviews. Today are going to talk about the car that is slowly replacing the Toyota Noah. The Toyota Noah is a really common car. First produced in 2001 by Toyota Motors Japan, the Noah was classified as a family minivan and came in a 2,000 cubic centimeters engine capacity. In the same class as the Noah, Toyota also has the Estima, which has a more streamlined body and comes in at 2,500 cubic centimeters to 3,000 cubic centimeters engine displacement. The Noah features sliding doors, a boxy body and 7 seats, which provides more room than other models such as the Toyota Wish. The Noah, which is produced alongside the Voxy, comes as an entry-level model designed with practicality in mind, unlike the Voxy, which is more comfortable and family-oriented. The Noah has gone through several improvements in both body redesigns and mechanics, with the 2008 model being the most popular. With the skyrocketing of car prices, the Noah starts at Kenya shillings 1.9 million. This has forced buyers to consider models from other brands such as Nissan Serena, Mazda Biant and Honda Step Wagon. Nissan Serena. Among these minivans, the Serena, which is the cheapest, starts at Kenya shillings 1.45 million, with its specs strongly rivaling its competitors. The Serena comes in a 2,000 to 2,500 cubic centimeters engine with a maximum power of 160 horsepower compared to the Noah's 157 horsepower. The Serena can comfortably sit 7 and has a consumption of about 9 liters per 100 kilometers. The interior is well laid out with simple materials and comfortable seats. What are your thoughts on the Nissan Serena? Thank you for watching.